Hello everyone. In the previous classes, we did learn about the different modes of asexual reproduction. So today we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction in plant. And do you know that the flower is the part of the plant which is involved in the sexual mode of reproduction. So we are going to discuss about the different parts of the plants. So let us discuss. So if I talk about the parts of the plant, so there is technical name for this. This is known as whorls. So there are essential parts and these are non-essential parts. So we will first look out what are the different parts. So if you look at the structure of the flower, so it consists of, in the bottom there is pedicel. Pedicel is nothing but it connects the flower to the bark. ओके मराठी में इसको हम बोलते हैं देट. ठीक है, तो दिस इज ग्रीनिश पार्ट विच इज पेडिसेल, followed by there is green color leaves which shadows this flower inside. So this green color leaves, these are known as the calyx or the sepals. So the main purpose of this calyx or the sepals is to protect the flowers. जब कली रहती है तो कली को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कैलिक्स होता है. So this is the outer part of the flower. Then there is another portion that these are nothing but the different colors of the flower you can see. So these are the different color whorls which are known as petals. इसको बोला जाता है corolla. So these are the petals which you can see. एक पंखुड़ियां जिसको बोलते हैं तो हम पंखुड़ियां. These are the different colors of the petals that we can see in the different flowers. So here in case of the hibiscus we have red color petals. In case of the say roses we have the different colors of the petals we can see over here. So when it comes to pedicel, calyx and corolla, these are known as non-essential parts. Why these are known as non-essential parts? Because they don't have any role into the process of reproduction. प्लांट्स के जो भी रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोसेस है या रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए इनकी कोई हेल्प नहीं होती, इसीलिए उनको बोला जाता है नॉन एसेंशियल पार्ट्स और द नॉन एसेंशियल वर्ल्ड्स. ओके, कीप दिस वर्ड इन माइंड, वर्ल्ड्स. ओके, द सेकंड थिंग इज एसेंशियल पार्ट्स. तो एसेंशियल पार्ट्स में दो टाइप आते हैं. नाउ देयर इज मेल एसेंशियल पार्ट एंड द फीमेल एसेंशियल पार्ट. इफ यू लुक एट द फ्लावर वेरी carefully, we got to know there are two independent structures which are present over there. So which are those independent structures? Let us have a look at that. So this is the first structure which we can see in the center of the flower. This is nothing but the female structure which we call it as. So here the first part of the female structure is known as stigma, followed by this is long stem which we can see. This stem connects this stigma to this portion. So this stem is nothing but the style. It is called as style. And the another thing which is there at the bottom of this particular structure, that is known as ovary. So this stigma, style and ovary together known as gynoecium. So this is gynoecium. Gynos meaning female and gynoecium meaning female part. So this is the female part of the flower. Now there is another this particular part, there is independent part that is also present here. The another independent part is this one. If you can see clearly here, there are two different parts, there are two different portions of this part they are present. So this together is the male reproductive part which consists of anther and the filament into it. So this together is known as androecium, that is the male reproductive part. So if you wish to study the structure of flower, you should know that there are two different parts of the flower, essential part and the non-essential part, depending upon the role in the reproduction. These are very much important for conserving the variety and therefore it is known as the essential part. So androecium and the gynoecium. Androecium is nothing but the male reproductive part which consists of anther and the filament, and there is female reproductive part or the female reproductive portion which is known as stigma, style and ovary which is known as gynoecium. Okay, so that's it for today guys.